In this video, we will look at the admin area within the web portal. From the admin area, you can manage your web portal users, as well as view and amend your merchant details which are visible to your solution provider. To access the web portal users, you must first click Admin from the top bar and click Portal Users from the sub-menu. You will then see a table of all web portal users in the main window. The table details the first name, surname, username and status, which will either be enabled or disabled for each user on the system. The table also includes a series of icons in the first column. We have seen these elsewhere in the portal and will come back to them later on in the video. To add a new user to the web portal, click the New Portal User button. You will then see the Portal User form. All details here must be entered in order to create a new portal user. After entering the user's name, you must enter a username which must be unique. We recommend using an email address format even if it is not a valid email, such as the person's name at thecompany.name.com, so in this case, john@treasuredtoys.com. The user's password must be at least 8 characters long and contain a minimum of 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter and 1 number. Finally, you must set the user role of either user or administrator. A user has view-only access, allowing them to view products and stock but not make any changes. Administrators have full access to all areas of the system. After entering all your details, click the Save button and you will see your new user in the table. We can edit any user by tapping the pen icon, disable the user from accessing the portal by clicking the cross icon, re-enable a user by tapping the tick icon, and delete any user by tapping the trash can icon. When editing a user, you can change any of the details apart from the username. In this example, we will change the role from user to administrator. After making your changes, click the Save button to be returned to the portal users list. If required, you can also temporarily disable a user by clicking the cross disable icon. This will lock the user out of the system, preventing any access. To re-enable a disabled user, simply click the Enable Tick button. To delete a user that is no longer required on the system, click the trash can icon and confirm the action on the message prompt. After carrying out this process, the user will no longer have access. To access your merchant details that are available to your solution provider, click Admin from the top bar and click Your Merchant Details from the sub-menu. The Merchant Details screen will display a summary of your licenses purchased, split between Core and Plus. This is then followed by some billing and your business contact details. Finally, for Register Plus users, your text message allocation will also be displayed. You can edit the business contact details on this screen. To purchase additional licenses, you would need to contact your solution provider. To update your business details, enter the appropriate information in the form. In this case, we will add a secondary contact number. After entering all your details, click the Save button. Further information on adding and configuring users can also be found in your user manual, and if you still have any questions, please get in touch with your solution provider who will be able to offer further assistance.